And good morning, people. It is 5:06 a.m. on Sunday, November 19th, 2023. We are just a few days before Thanksgiving in November, middle of November. And we are in North Naples, Collier County, Florida. We are on 111th Avenue. Technically, I guess we're in Naples Park on 111th Avenue. On our left is an entrance to Walmart. And here we are approaching the signal at Route 41. We are going to head northbound on Route 41. We have the red light. It's a Wells Fargo bank on the right. There are a bunch of crooks. And over on the left, on the other side, we have Bank of America. There are a bunch of crooks as well. Don't take my word for it. These people are opening up fake bank accounts. They are emptying safe deposit boxes. Just look it up. Bank of America safe deposit boxes. Empty. How'd that happen? Well, employees from the Bank of America went in and emptied it out. Speed limit here is 55. We've got Collier County Sheriff coming at us right there. Unmarked. That's an unmarked Collier County. Well, I'm guessing it's Collier County Sheriff. Might be another one right here. And it sure does look like it. Yep. That's Collier County. He's just sitting there. I don't know what's going on. Is he parking? Is he turning? I think he's coming this way. We are doing 50 miles an hour. We are approaching Imperial Golf Course Boulevard right here, and we have a vehicle that I think is gonna turn left right here. I'm not sure. Anyway, that sheriff's vehicle is coming up, pulling up alongside of us. Oh, it's a Lee County Sheriff. What are they doing down here? We are not gonna race this guy. There is no way are we gonna race this guy. Anyway, this Lee County Sheriff is down here in Collier County. Maybe they overlap a little bit, I don't know. But I am certainly not going to challenge this guy. Maybe I'll pull into here. I've got something to do very quickly. Okay, we're at a Circle K here. Alright, let me just hop out. 311. I don't know what's going on. Looks like a lot of activity to me. Hold on, 2 seconds. Okay. Here we go, folks. We've got a green light. back northbound on 41, coming up to a red light. This is old 41 right here. We're on 41 northbound, but we're coming up to old 41. We're at old 41. Ford F-150 right there. I thought that it might be law enforcement. Still may be, I don't know. I have no clue. Speed limit here is 55 miles an hour. We are traveling at 50. That's probably plenty for this time of the morning. Mercedes-Benz of Bonita Springs on our right. We are nowhere near, well, Bonita Springs, but I mean, we are near Bonita Springs, but we are certainly not in Bonita Springs. We're not even in Lee County. Green light up ahead at Woods Edge Parkway. Green light at Woods Edge Parkway. That Ford F-150 is turning right here. I don't know what this is. What is this here? All Seasons Naples at a hotel. Ford F-150 turning right at a hotel. Okay, we have yellow light at Woods Edge Parkway. Yellow light at Woods Edge Parkway. Red light. We're slowing down. We're slowing down. We are coming up to this red light. Got a green light. We're at 39, 40, 41 miles an hour. We're at 44 miles an hour. Northbound, 47. Speed limit here is 50, I believe. No, it's 55. Speed limit here is 55. We're doing 49. 50 is plenty. It's dark. Visibility is low. It is 5:14 in the morning. Okay, we turn right, and we are on Bonita Beach Road, eastbound, in Lee County. Speed limit here is 45 miles an hour. We are currently traveling at 38 miles an hour, 39, 40. We'll set it at 40. Maybe we'll cruise at 42, 43. We're at 43. We're at 44. beautiful night, beautiful morning. Our speed is 45 miles an hour. Speed limit is 45 miles an hour. Thinking of Robert Frost, poet, whose woods these are. I think I know. His house is in the village, though. You will not see me stopping here to see his fields fill up with snow. To see his fields fill up with snow. I'm not sure that's the line. To see his woods fill up with snow. I think that's the line. Whose woods these are. Yeah, that's right. Whose woods these are. He's in the woods. He's not in the field. Crossing railroad tracks. Those haven't been used in decades. Here we are at Old 41. We have a green light. Our speed is 39, 38. This guy has brake lights on even though it's a green light. That is suspicious. Handicap license plate. God knows what that means. We're doing 40... How fast are we going here? We're doing 44, 45 miles an hour. Passing a racetrack on our right. There's a cyclist on our right there, riding a tricycle. No lights. Not good. Our speed's 45, speed limit is 45. Still eastbound on Bonita Beach Road in Lee County, the city of Bonita Springs. There is no municipal police force in the city of Bonita Springs. There's a municipal fire department in Bonita Springs, but there's no municipal police department. They use the county sheriffs. They probably contract with them, pay them some money. Which makes sense. This is Imperial Parkway. Probably end this video. Imperial Parkway. 519.